Another day, another story. Here's an expanded and more efficient version of the script. Are you familiar with the feeling of having a forward head, rounded shoulders, and a posture that resembles Donald Duck's butt? Often, we don't realize how bad our posture has become until someone captures a picture of us in that slouched position. But don't worry. I have a new and improved 5-minute posture routine that will help you fix this in no time. Let's first understand how you ended up with poor posture in the first place. Studies have revealed that on average, people spend 6 to 8 hours a day sitting, and when they do, they tend to adopt a slouched position. While slouching isn't necessarily bad and may even help with focus, the problem arises when we remain in this hunched-over posture for extended periods every day. Over time, our bodies adapt to this position, leading to tightness in certain muscles and weakness in others, making it more difficult to maintain proper posture. Now that we have temporarily opened up your upper body muscles, we need to strengthen them to maintain the results and improve your posture in the long run. The strengthening exercise will focus on targets your weakened back and shoulder muscles. Lie on your stomach with your forehead on the floor or slightly elevated. Place your hands behind your head, pulling your elbows back and squeezing your shoulder blades together. Extend your arms straight out, forming a capital Y shape with your palms facing the floor. Keep your arms straight and lifted as high as possible, and begin moving them in a large circle around your body. This motion engages your mid-back and shoulder muscles. As your arms reach below a T shape, internally rotate them so that your palms face the ceiling. Once your hands are close to your legs, bend your elbows and place the back of your hands on your low back. Reverse the circle by extending your arms back into the Y shape and then returning to the starting position with your hands behind your head. This exercise can be challenging, so if you find it difficult, you can modify it by keeping your arms in a T shape with your thumbs facing up, and raise them as high as possible using your mid-back muscles. Aim for 5 to 10 reps of this exercise until you build the necessary strength for the full movement. Before we proceed to the lower body, it's essential to remember that just following this 5-minute routine won't be enough if you continue to sit for prolonged periods throughout the day. Consistency is key. Additionally, make an effort to incorporate more movement into your daily routine. Stand up, take breaks, go for walks, or even consider trying some of my workout videos to get you active. Studies have shown that weightlifting can improve flexibility as much as stretching can. Visit buildwithscience.com after this video and take the analysis quiz to find the best workout program tailored to your body and goals. But for now, let's focus on fixing your lower body. Now we can move on to strengthening the glutes. The exercise we'll perform is simple but highly effective. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Angle your elbows away from you and push them down into the ground. Flatten your lower back against the floor by engaging your core without arching your back. Squeeze your glute muscles hard, lift your hips up, and keep your glutes contracted at the top. Rather than arching your lower back, maintain core engagement and tilt your hips back by squeezing your glutes as if you were preventing a $100 bill from falling out from between them. Hold this position for 5 seconds before lowering down for another repetition. If you feel this exercise primarily in your quads instead of your glutes, try walking your feet further away from you. Conversely, if you feel it more in your hamstrings, move your feet a bit closer together. To make the exercise more challenging and correct any strength imbalances, you can progress to working one leg at a time. Here is the full 5-minute routine. 1. Upper body stretch. Use a band, towel, or broomstick to open up your chest and shoulders. Keep your arms straight and move them in a circular motion up and behind your body. Engage your core and prevent lower back arching. 2. Mid-upper back stretch. Get on all fours, place a foam roller, ball, or folded pillow between your legs, and squeeze it. Reach your left arm under and across your body, feeling the stretch in your mid and upper back. Follow with your left hand behind your neck, push the floor away with your right hand, and rotate your elbow up toward the ceiling. Repeat on both sides. 3. Strengthening exercise. Lie on your stomach, forehead on or just above the floor, and hands behind your head. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, extend your arms into a Y shape, and move them in a circle around your body. Adjust the palm direction as instructed in the original script or keep your arms in a T shape and lift them using your mid-back muscles. 4. Lower body stretch. Assume an all-fours position, set your right knee close to a wall or elevated surface, and place your back foot on it. Create a stretch in your quads and hip flexor by adjusting the distance between your knee and the wall or surface. Lean forward or push your butt back to intensify or lessen the stretch. 5. Glute strengthening. Lie on your back, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor. Push your elbows down into the ground, engage your core, and flatten your lower back against the floor. Squeeze your glutes, lift your hips, and tilt them back without arching your lower back. Hold for 5 seconds before lowering down. To access the complete routine on your phone, download it for free at HealthyAnt1683. Aim to perform this routine at least twice a day, and remember to incorporate more movement throughout your day for long-term posture correction. Good luck! And be sure to watch my next video, where I'll share what I believe is the most underrated exercise to lose belly fat. An exercise you can start doing right now.